Can I trade Forex at 16? The development of automated Forex trading systems in the recent years is highly dependent on the changes in trading software, including speed, dependability, and accessibility of Internet. You can't believe when you imagine that an average Joe sitting at home taking laptop and making the living from Forex trading by making the profitable trades. In Forex trading system, the trader need not play his hands roll. It can keep tabs on currency prices, and in some conditions it can automatically close and open the trades. These systems keeps trader away from any tensions and risks that occur in Forex market. One more important function is making of constant winning trades by keeping losing trades to minimum. To truly evaluate the system's performance, the Forex trading system must prove in its successful trades. The main function of these Forex trading systems is that to put the trader away from emotions. Automated trading has advantage that it is an emotion-free, which makes us free from wrong decisions in our investments. So for your success, always choose the best and proven Forex trading system. Do not trust any system. You try to learn about the system and get practice with it, which helps you to gain maximum profits in market. So first learn and then open and practice account. After gaining knowledge, try the Forex trading system on a demo account before you use the real one. Also try to join many forums and have the advices from them. Brokers and systems never stay the same, so please don't neglect your account and always keep in touch with the trading systems and gain knowledge by referring the books and information that is available on internet. You always need to find the reliable source, and well-written third-party reviews is one of the tricky part in determining the real value of any automated Forex trading system or software.